In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transform into Heian era Sukuna and Jujutsu Shenanigans. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to use the new Heian Sukuna moveset in Jujutsu Shenanigans, you will have to enable a specific command to use this moveset. So I'm going to use each of the abilities once just so you can see how they look like. So you will have Strong Dismantle, Open Furnace, Cleave Rush, and finally Kamutoke. So all of these will be accessible when you enable the overpowered moveset. You don't need to have Private Server Plus to do this, but like I said before, you will only be able to do this when you are inside of private servers. So first, click on the plus sign and enable Overpowered. Toggles use of overpowered movesets, which of course includes Heian Sukuna. If you have one of these options here, like free build enabled, you might have to disable it in order to be able to switch characters. So once you go into the plus sign, you go to servers and you enable overpowered. If you go into the characters, you will see strongest of history. It even has different color text. This is going to be Heian Sukuna. So now you can go ahead, use all of your moves, and play alone or with your friends using this very OP moveset. So I'm going to use all of the moves again, and I'll try to charge the Awakening Bar there. But this is all you have to do. To my knowledge, it is only available for private servers because of course it would be way too broken for standard public servers, but still you can use it here, play alone or with your friends, and this is what the domain expansion looks like. So it is going to be available for everyone. I do not have Private Server Plus or PS Plus, and I'm still able to use Heian Sukuna. So it is easy to do, just enable the overpowered moveset and you can do it here in Jujutsu Shenanigans. I hope I was able to help you on how to transform into Heian era Sukuna and Jujutsu Shenanigans. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.